Angela and John. Welcome to United. Oh, are you filming? Oh, yeah. This is our lovely Thaisa.
Which one should I try first?
I'm going to give you the rosé first. Okay, so this is a Grenache rosé from the south of France. They're both estate grown.
So when we're going screaming at 49 knots, there's a gorgeous rooster tail. 49 knots. Carly Palmer with United Yacht Sales, and you're on board the 2007 62-foot Pershing. And her name is Chopin.
Chopin, what a gorgeous name.
Chopin after the vodka.
She's so sophisticated.
Yes. So we have this beautiful aft deck seating with a shade, and this is a high-low table. We have the captain's quarters or crew quarters here with a berth for one, washer and dryer, and its own bed. And we have a grill here.
Oh, that opens up to a grill?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Beautiful teak decking. Access to the engine room right here.
Gorgeous.
It's in great shape.
Let's go inside.
Let's go inside. Wow, look at this, how beautiful. I like the lighting in here. I love the air conditioning.
Yes.
This is
nice,
so
cool.
This is so pretty, the colors.
Yes.
I love it.
There's generous seating. You can seat 8, 10 people here. So we've got the captain's chair and helm companionship. This beautiful varnish table with a wooden inlay.
I like the lighting on the bottom too.
Yes, LED accent lighting. We have a little refrigerator back here so you can have access to your drinks. We have this window here that pops open.
Oh, really?
So when it's cool outside, you just open it up. We have obviously the helm. We have a bow and stern thruster. This is an harness and drive boat. So when we're going screaming at 49 knots, there's a gorgeous rooster tail.
49?
49 knots.
It's 49
gorgeous.
knots? You always hear like 8 knots?
No.
12
49.
knots, 49?
Which is like 55 miles an hour.
That's
Don't get me-
fast, yeah.
don't
I know, I'm learning too right now.
So we also have this beautiful sunroof.
So, look at that.
Yes.
Whoa.
Yeah, isn't it cool?
So beautiful.
So it's a great sunroof. It's so much fun. This aft deck, this deck with the salon seating is just, it's conducive to fun. So when the weather is cool, you open up your sunshade. And we can step below to check it out.
I love the bridge area. It's so pretty. Everything's big. All the maps, right?
Yes. The chart plotter and depth finder.
What do they call it? Chart?
Chart plotter and depth finder. So we have an updated galley. Isn't it pretty?
It is.
We have an updated galley that
Spacious,
was
it is.
raised to fit a more of an American sized person.
Lovey's taught for him because that's what we have our
Yes.
barbecue
Lovey?
go to tire. I call him Lovey, his nickname. Thank you.
Are you guys a couple?
Yeah,
Nice.
Larry.
Nice. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So beautiful galley countertops to quartz, and we've got a refrigerator
Big
and
refrigerators.
a freezer in addition to the one that's right behind you. And then we have, of course, the stovetop and sink and storage. We have these beautiful portholes.
I know, I love the portholes too.
Right? Seating,
So
if you want to
detailed.
just kind of have somebody here chit-chatting with you. We've got a control panel and a television.
And then
And
I
right-
see a stateroom.
Yes, right down here is a main stateroom.
I've never seen a yacht like that with the staterooms the way this one's tilted. It's so pretty. Is this
Isn't
the
it
main
cool?
stateroom?
This is a main stateroom. So we have,
gorgeous.
let me get this before you
Yeah.
film.
Decorate.
Yeah. So we have the main stateroom with a queen berth. We have a full locker. And this is considered midship, obviously. With a television, a vanity area.
Look at the vanity
ensuite.
area. Nice. It opens up with the mirror. You have plenty of room.
Yes. So we have a full ensuite head with a large walk-in shower right behind this.
So nice. We probably have a lot of yachts for sale too.
We do.
Staterooms on the side. They're so pretty.
So
Oh, the
we have-
kitchen too.
A V-berth.
I like the way it's spread out.
Yeah, a V-berth cabin here that can be used to spill over luggage or crew if you'd like. And it's ensuite head as well, and plenty of storage.
Convert it to your walk-in closet.
Yes,
Right.
yes, that's what I like. So we can step up to the main deck.
God, I love the galley. I love the
It is
galley the way it
pretty,
has
isn't
it,
it?
so it's a full refrigerator, right?
Full
Like a
fridge and
headroom.
freezer. Yeah.
I mean,
And we have one more bedroom.
Oh, I see.
We have one
Really?
more.
Oh, you still
VIP.
have one more?
One more.
Oh, more VIP.
Yes.
Nice.
So your VIP obviously houses your guests, and I can. Do you want me to go in first, or do you want to?
I'll go in.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so pretty the way the steps
is.
go into it.
So it's
Careful with your head, Lovey.
yeah.
Yes, Lovey's tall.
I know.
Lovey es alto.
Alto.
So we have the double, the VIP queen berth. We have a little seating to starboard. We have a full-length locker and an ensuite head. And absolute privacy.
And what is this right here?
Your locker, your closet.
Okay. Yeah, they're hard to open sometimes. I
There,
guess.
just pull it. Just pull it right there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look, it's
That's
a
nice.
nice size closet. It is just a closet. There's plenty of space. It's like a cruise ship.
So your ensuite head is very comfortable, very spacious, certainly plenty to accommodate a couple
Oh,
staying
yeah.
back here.
Beautiful yacht. I love it. I want to purchase this yacht and take it to the Bahamas so we can go look at the little pigs. Were those pigs out in the water?
Yes, Pig Island.
Yeah, Pig Island. I want to go there. Can you imagine on this yacht being out there? Oh
Next
my
stop,
goodness.
to the
Oh,
Bahamas.
Yes, next stop to the Bahamas. And what other island?
Also,
Oh yeah, Albuquerque.
yes. Oh, yes.
Yeah, so
Should just make the whole
yeah,
little
tour
island
all the little
trip.
islands.
Jamaica.
Yes, that would be so much
Costa
fun.
Rica.
Get all our hours. You can get all your hours for your captain license.
Yes, absolutely.
That'll be so much fun. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Guys, stay tuned for the next episode.
Yeah, bon voyage.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Our brand rep of Yacht Tour. So happy to have you. Let's have a drink. Come on in, quench your thirst.
Which one should I try first?
I'm going to give you the rosé first.
Rosé
Okay, so
first?
this is a Grenache rosé from the south of France. They're both estate grown. Half the residual sugar as most wine.
Delicious. I
Did
love
you like?
it.
Did you like that?
Yeah, I do like it. It's really good.
So now this is infamous gold. So this is a white cab. It's a new varietal. Okay, we brought this new to the market. You won't find this anywhere else.
Try that one.